Oh, dude, 10 minutes.
Ano? We're going back to the Philippines in a couple
Bye-bye,
of minutes.
Singapore.
Departure? I'm so sad. Bye-bye. See you next time. See you soon. Pwede ko man kaya kapitan.
I'm saying bye-bye.
Send ko na yung hiling.
No, I hear. Sorry.
Paano man kaya naka-era room?
I will say bye-bye. See you next time.
December or maybe summer.
Sure, December?
Summer.
Summer so long.
Depends. Birthday, February.
Okay, Kenla. No problem.
Gonna miss everybody.
Sarah, bye! I'm going back Philippines. Ate.
I'm staying here.
Yeah, I thought you're going back also.
You're welcome here.
My
Das.
visit here is over.
Can bring me
Ready to
back?
go.
Ken?
Bring me back?
Okay, bye.
You
Go.
hold. You stick with it.
Yeah. Departure? I hate this word.
Me?
Yes? You like it? Very nice. F1.
This one's you buy for
No.
Philippine friend.
No, that is for you.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you. I have a gift
You want to wear now?
from F1. You just have to check.
Just try lah.
No
Just stop.
pen.
Just try. Put it on. No need to take out anything. You must take out your dress.
You look like
Ken!
It's stretchable.
Hopefully, Ken, please. It's
Yeah.
my fault if kana. Yes, Ken. She's so sexy. In front, in front. So sexy.
Very nice.
Yala.
Thank you.
You don't want to take out already. Ah. No need.
Take out, take out. Take out.
Mission accomplished.
Yeah. Okay na.
Mission accomplished.
Pinocus mo, blurred, no?
Next time,
Pino-
mag-blurred yun.
Ha, oo.
So sorry.
Pag pinocus mo, blurred.
What?
I focus.
That's okay.
Only half.
Okay na.
Next time go Philippines, wear this one.
Sure.
You will see me in airport.
Can identify where is Sarah.
Only using the t-shirt.
Okay na. Edwin and Paul signing off from Singapore. Bye-bye. Bye. Okay, bye-bye.
Ingat.